What's up, guys? It's me, Garlic. I'm still trying to figure out how to make my name different. But yeah, notice anything different? Anything other than my dog being there? Anything? Nothing? Okay, I'm just gonna stop that. Basically, the floor. I cleaned it today, and also my dad built the table, and I was actually working on this monk. As you can see, I did a lot of stuff. I'm putting detail into it, put a dead droid over there. And if you look very closely, we got General Grievous leading the assault. And if you look very closely, we got a scout trooper going in. He just sliced this droid's head off, and so he's going to attack the other droids. And these guys are shooting the 501st and the 212th legions and attack battalion are fighting. We're on this outpost. Obi-Wan Kenobi is leading the assault over here. Anakin and the 501st were going to leave soon until the attack happened. These are droid reinforcements that are coming, and they have their guns up because they want to stay guard. Other than that, there's there's just that, and then here is Obi-Wan's droid, R4, and with a thing of grenades. And then we have a blown up wall with commando droids and droids coming in, and Captain Rex and 2 officers are here defending, while Anakin was looking at his thing, making sure it was good because he got shot at a battle, and it was getting repaired here while he was doing stuff. Basically, the attack happened, and he was just looking at his thing, and then this happened. So he's looking at the droids because he hasn't grabbed his lightsaber yet. So I need to get a lightsaber so he can have it up and ready. And as you can see, he was ready to fly because he has his headset on. He's looking pretty angry, if you ask me. So, and then there's the tank that I'm going to, and this is a road here, right after I fill in all of this. Oh, I knocked over the droidic. All of this, it's just going to be a road. So, yeah. Let me
see, they have, like the paper ones we got for your anniversaries.
Back up. Anyways, so, yeah. And I'm playing Minecraft, and I just got like a texture pack and stuff. I'm going to make a video on the texture pack, I think today, maybe? No, probably not. I've made like 3 videos. Emmett, stop it. My dog got injured, and he keeps licking his butt. It's irritating. Anyways, this stuff is just here. I put the Lego sets went up here, and actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this be behind the assault because General Grievous just came off of it while the droids were already coming, and he just got there as quick as he can. And what I did here is, I showed you this turret right now. I showed it earlier, and yeah, I showed this, and I basically just put this grass piece on it, and it's going to be like a vine that's growing. Anyways, and also, it used to be from here, and then from there, and then it used to be only from about right here, and then, but I added another gray base plate, and when the explosion happened, there was a Y-wing right here, and it blew up, and the pilot actually over here was just, the droids from the front came in first, and then these guys flanked. And so basically he was on that, and he's obviously manning the turret, as you can see. And I put a loudspeaker, if you look closely, that he can also operate. And that is actually flailing right now with the alarm. And yeah, so basically I just wanted to show you the mock because I've been doing some stuff, you know. And also, quick detail, this guy has his weapon on his back because he is going for the knife. Because, I don't know why, but the commando droid was like, I'm gonna do this the hard way. So he was going in with the knife because, as you know, knives are pretty good to use because they can knock out blasters. And droids, of course, aren't that accurate, but commando droids are, which is kind of stupid. And this officer's just here, right here, custom officer. I just took his uniform and put this guy's head on him. He is actually here shooting at the commando droids, and then this officer right here is shooting with Captain Rex without his leg thing on, so let me just put that on. Okay, there. And also there was just like, there were supplies, as you can see. These bins. This fell over. I need to. These droids are hard to keep up. Like, you even poke them, they like fall back and stuff. Anyways, so there were crates that fell over that were by Anakin's Starfighter. Luckily, somehow, some way, they were so close from blowing up Anakin's Starfighter, but they didn't, which is kind of bad for them. I'm gonna do a segment, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I don't know. I'm gonna start doing segments next weekend, I think. That would be good, unless I decide to do it tomorrow. Anyways, so I got this table up so I can actually do the segments now. There's a ton of crap over here, a ton of minifigures and bins and stuff. So yeah, and also a thing that I forgot. Let's get a Palpatine. Let's just get Palpatine's body out of there. So what I thought was stupid is how you look closely. You can't put a visor on, but give me a second. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab like somebody like that. But here on this guy you can, which is kind of stupid because this is like a phase 1 that came out literally a year before these guys came out. So I was ready to get the visor on my guy and stuff, but I guess no. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna do a giveaway on this $25 Xbox gift card soon. Well, not soon. I might use it myself, but I don't know. So one day you guys are gonna see. You guys are gonna be able to get Xbox gift card. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just really wanted to upload another one. I don't know why. I just really did. And yeah. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, wait, one thing. That guy's arm fell off because the droids fell off, and there's the arm from him. It fell off, and General Grievous looking menace. He's not happy. He knew that Kenobi, his rival, was there, so he wanted to make an attack. And also Count Dooku was like, big score, we can wipe out 2 legions and stuff. Soon I'm gonna get, and also, so basically I put stickers from a Lego set that was supposed to go on speeder, and I put them on this. So now I have my own custom separatist general / senator type guy. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.